So what are we doing?
We're here to present Josh with his acceptance letter. He is our first accepted student of the year.
All right.
Good morning.
Morning.
My name is Igus Kierman. I'm the Director of Undergraduate Admission here at Lasell University. Got some good news for you.
Okay.
You have been admitted to Lasell. You're actually our first acceptance of the year. And you've been admitted to our exercise science program.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
So, how are you feeling?
Terrific.
What made you decide on choosing Lasell?
So I've already taken 2 visits previously, and the second I was on the first tour, I kind of like fell in love with the campus right away. The class that I went to, the exercise program, class with the teacher, I was just kind of like, yeah, like I could totally see myself coming here for the next 4 years. With no
Hey, I got someone here that wants to say something to you.
How's it going, Coach?
What's up, Josh? How we doing?
Good, good. How are you?
Long time no see.
Yeah, I know.
So, hey, congratulations on the acceptance, obviously.
Thank you.
No, as I said, man, if we come into this program, we're going to be a really hard-working group, and we're going to set you up for success not only on the baseball field, but for in life. That's what we're about, and we think that you're going to be a really big part of that here.